Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if location services are not working on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open settings, scroll down and click on privacy and security. Here, you're going to click on location services and make sure location services are turned on. Next, you're going to scroll down and check any application you're using. And you're going to set the location access to while using the app or always if needed. Now make sure precise location is enabled for better accuracy. Also check that low powered mode is turned off over here because it can limit location updates. If your location is still wrong, you can restart your iPhone. And you can also turn on and off the airplane mode once. And if your location is still wrong, then you can simply hit over to general. And over here, you can scroll down, click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and you're gonna reset the location settings. Simply click on reset location and privacy to refresh all of the location settings. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.